The Jamaica Anti-Doping Commission JADCO board has ruled in the matter involving the Under-20 women's world record, which was not ratified by World Athletics after it emerged that one member of the team had not been tested. The incident occurred at the Carifta Games at the National Stadium in April. Karen Madden reports.
The embarrassing episode reverberated throughout the region, and the track and field fans who had packed Kingston's National Stadium to see the rare occurrence of the establishment of a world record were incensed. In the aftermath, Sports Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange ordered an investigation, and close to 3 months later, a subcommittee of the JADCO board has ruled that essentially no disciplinary action will be taken against the staff members involved. According to a release issued on Friday, the JADCO board says it is accepting recommendations made by the subcommittee. The harshest disciplinary action the JADCO personnel involved will receive is a written warning. JADCO Chairman Alexander Williams argued that the board was constrained by the Labor Code.
The board, in coming to its decision, took into account that this incident was the first workplace infraction for each employee, and also took into account their otherwise impeccable employment record. So the board is therefore constrained to comply with the provisions of Rule 22(2)I of the Labor Relations Code, requiring a written warning in the circumstances of the case.
The JADCO personnel involved have also been ordered to undergo mandatory training.
All JADCO personnel who are responsible for the oversight and actual testing on the day are to participate in a continuous education program on in-competition testing through either a WADA-approved facility or as recommended by the Canadian Centre for Ethics in Sports. Failure to comply with this directive will result in further disciplinary action.
Following the debacle, JADCO announced that it would discontinue the internal practice which barred repeat testing of an athlete within 24 hours during competition. That action has been made permanent in keeping with World Athletics rules that athletes involved in a world record must be tested. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.